Hello, Garrett RV American Dream, and today we are going to change out our pressure regulator and valve for the dual propane tank on my travel trailer. We have an Apex 300 BHS, and we've had it about 8 years now, actually, living full time in it, and it has worked out well. We, as you can see, had this guy here, and if we were to turn it to the right, it yesterday came back from being out, and I had a propane smell all over the RV, and came here and found out that basically the tank had emptied, so this switch had failed, and it was just letting everything leak out of here. So unfortunately that is going to have to be replaced, so that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so what I did was I jumped on Amazon and I found this. It had pretty good ratings. It's got the switch both ways. It's got a gauge here to tell how much propane we have. I don't know if this is going to work. I know that the other one in the other gauge did not work. But both of these hoses also came with gauges. So I'm kind of hoping if I got 3 gauges, one of them will work. And if it doesn't, then I'm in the same boat I am now. Basically, when it's out, I change it, and I just lift it. Again, if they feel super light, chances are they're almost empty. So that's kind of what we're doing here. So the first thing I'm going to do is assemble this piece. This is the part that's going to sit on the pipe, and that just needs to be screwed in. Good. I will wait to put these pipes on, because when I need to put this on, it's got to twist in a circle, and obviously if you got those things flopping around, it's going to be a pain in the butt. It's got a little bit of gas tape for the valve. You can, and I'm sure everybody has a theory on whether you should use this or the paste. Whatever you think is safe. If you want to go out and get paste, go get paste. I'm going to use the tape they sent with it. It should be yellow. Okay, this yellow tape is for gas. The white stuff is for water. Okay, so don't use this white stuff. This is the stuff you want to use. We're going to remove this tank. We're going to make sure it's closed. And then I'm going to take off both of these. This. All right. And we're just going to open this up. Okay. That's what we're left with. All right, same size. So that's good. Okay. I'm actually going to take a little wire brush, clean this up a little bit, and then we're going to put some of our tape on before we install it. These are little cheap wire brushes. Usually it has a nice little plastic handle, but when I went to look for mine today, it turns out it's broken. I'll have to pick another one up, but these are great little things to have around. I use them all the time for all kinds of little things. Just having a nice small little wire brush to clean something up before you put it back together is a great little thing. When you twist this back on, it's gonna go clockwise, right? So you want to make sure the tape goes on that way also, so that when you twist this back on, it doesn't undo your tape. Okay, so and you don't want too much of it. All right, So I went around 2.5, 3 times. You do not want it to be covering this here, okay? That would be bad because it'll get stuck in there and then it'll block up your valves. So you want to make sure you put the new one on, you know. All right. Okay, so it's pretty good. I think we're going to twist it just a little bit more. It's kind of wanting to, it's kind of wanting a natural turn, and I want it to kind of be relaxed. So we'll see if we can't just tweak it a little bit more. All right. All right, so these are the new hoses. They come with these cool little valves. You know, I don't know if they're gonna work, but this here is a JIC fitting, okay? It's actually beveled here on an angle, and it is going to seat in here naturally and make a seal. You do not need to put tape on those, okay? You shouldn't need any kind of thing. It should just all naturally seal, and they'll be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on now. And when you tighten these up, you'll feel they don't need much tightening, right? You just kind of need to to tighten them up nicely. So that should be it. We put our tape here. We've got our pieces here. Everything's looking pretty good. Throw this back on top here. Okay, good. So we've got it all reassembled now, and what I'm going to do actually is just a little soap, my finger, and I'm just going to put it here and put it on this thing that I did here, and put it on this piece that I did down here. Okay. Spray them with a little water. And then I'm going to open the tank. Okay. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so this is reading green, so it's got pressure. This is reading green, it's got gas. This is reading green, it's got gas. We have no air bubbles that have been created by the soap. Nope. All right. So I put the soap and water on there. If there was some kind of leak, you'd have a nice little bubble, and there is no bubble anywhere here, so there is no leak. Okay, so it should be a pretty easy fix for you. I think it was about a total of maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes total with me recording, but you know, if you're just changing it out, it should be fast, and you'll get a nice new regulator. I'll put a link to the one I bought. I'm on Amazon, but you're more than welcome to find your own. And do me a favor, if you like this video, we'll be posting more like it. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a like, and any questions, go ahead and throw them in. You know, I always, we have a slide replacement that I'll put up here, and a lot of people like that video, and we've had some good conversations about it. So if you need any help, go ahead and reach out. We can talk about it. All right, good luck out there. Garrett, RV American Dream.